so I knew this was the biggest day ever.
There was no doubt the 49ers were the best team in football. So we knew if we could beat them, I was 100% sure we'd win the Super Bowl.